this is how it looks like when you got it yesterday. So Bill is
We'll
gonna
change it a
Bill's
lot.
gonna change it. He's gonna add some what you call it, toolbox in here.